If you've discovered some or all of your USB ports don't seem to be working, try these troubleshooting steps to resolve the most common issues. Ensure all USB ports are enabled within BIOS. Power off the computer. Connect a USB device to the malfunctioning USB port. Turn on the computer. During startup, press the F2 key at the Dell logo screen. Within BIOS, expand the General Settings. Click on Restore Settings, and then click OK. Click on OK again to load all system settings. Click on Exit, and then select Yes to save changes. Once you have entered Windows, shut down the computer. Turn your computer back on, and tap the F12 key at startup. Navigate to Diagnostics using the arrow keys on your keyboard and press Enter. A full system scan will begin automatically. If you wish to test a specific component, press the Escape key to pause a scan. Click on the next arrow button to forward to the next page. Select USB devices to perform a custom test. If you receive any error codes, make note of the code details and contact the Dell Tech Support agent through social media on Facebook or Twitter and let them know the situation. If no errors were detected, then move on to the next step. Refresh the USB controller and hub. Disconnect all USB devices except for the keyboard and mouse. Press the Windows logo key and the R key. Type the command as shown on screen into the Run dialog box and press Enter. Under Device Manager, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click the USB host controller. Select Uninstall Device and click Uninstall to initiate the process. Uninstall all the USB host controllers and then uninstall the USB root hub by repeating the uninstall steps. Check your keyboard and mouse, and if they are unresponsive, then restart your computer. Now test the USB to see if it's working, and if it isn't, continue to the next step. Update the system BIOS. Windows search BitLocker and select Manage BitLocker. Click on Suspend Protection and then Yes to confirm. Now go to dell.com/support and click on Detect PC or enter your service tag. Select Drivers and Downloads. Set BIOS as the category. Download the latest update available and run the executable file. Click on Update and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If you are updating the BIOS on a laptop, make sure the battery is present and the AC adapter is plugged in. Run a system restore. Windows search and select Recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Click on Next. Select the restore point. To choose another restore point, tick the box to show more restore points. Click Scan for affected programs. Select Next, and then click on Finish to confirm. If afterwards you're still experiencing USB issues, contact the Dell Tech Support agent through social media on Facebook or Twitter for further assistance. There are many more other helpful tips and tutorials available on the Tech Support Dell channel, so be sure to become a subscriber. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.